best products to sell on Etsy, they are not physical products, but they are digital products. The reason is because you can create them once and sell them forever. This video, I'm going to break down the 7 digital products that you can sell on Etsy right now. Let's get into the video. One is printable wall art, and in this printable wall art you can create variety of so many things. You can create wall art for people who love food, wall art for people who love animals, wall art for kids, nursery beds. The sky is the limit. You can choose a theme and start creating wall art around that. So it will depend on you which kind of theme you want to create your wall art about. They can be images, sometimes they can be just text, and it's simple to create. You can create all these designs using Canva. Number 2, these are social media templates, and these ones they work in so many ways. First of all, you can be selling them to business people, or you can be selling them to people who do social media management, who are managing other people's accounts, and you can be selling it to them because they are managing someone's account. They don't have time to go through the stress of creating each template. Their customers are waiting for results. They want their customers' accounts to grow. If they have already made templates, they can just go in sites like Canva, edit them, put them according to their customers' liking, and they can go ahead and post them on their customers' accounts. So that's also a good product that you can create, and you can create a variety of them. You can create Instagram templates, you can create them for Facebook, you can create for Pinterest, and so many other social media platforms. Number 3, these are brand kits. Yes, and every company there, they want to have their own brand. The way it sounds, the way it feels to people. Each brand has its own brand colors, logos, and so much more. So you can create things like logos, you can create text for these brands, and these ones, they are really selling well because you are selling directly to companies or to businesses which want to make their brands grow. And if your logos are good, if your images are good, this is going to drive you a lot of customers, because right now everybody wants an online presence and they have to build their own brand. They have to stand out of the competition. So if you're creating good designs, that is going to be a win-win for you. Product number 4, these are AI prompt packs. Nowadays, with the way AI is going, first of all, there are so many AIs out there. You can't even mention them and finish them. Every day a new one is coming up. Today there is ChatGPT, Cloud, Gemini, and so many of them. And all of these ones, what can make a difference is creating the right prompt. If you have the wrong prompt, what you are looking for will not come out the way you want it. For example, if you want a prompt and you want to design maybe a cat with glasses, if you don't give this AI the right prompt, then you will not be able to get the right image out of that AI. But if you prompt it very well, you get the exact results that you want. So that's where AI prompt packs come in. People create them and sell them to those ones who want to use AI, because AI did not come to replace human beings, but it can help you simplify your work. The work which would have taken you like 7 days, 6 days, nowadays AI can help you simplify that. And the problem is most people don't know how to put the right prompt in AI. They end up getting bad results. They keep on saying AI is hard to work with, but if they have the right prompt, they'll just copy it and paste it maybe into ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will go ahead to give them their results. So if you are creating good prompts, that will be a win-win. Next product, they are digital planners or digital journals. Yes, a lot of people nowadays, since everybody owns a smartphone, some of them own tablets, they prefer to have these digital journals where they can go ahead and plan their day, plan a lot of things inside there. So if you create these digital planners, they will be a good digital product, and you can create them like good notes. People just go ahead and open their tablets, go ahead, put in whatever they want in their digital journal, and they can move with it anywhere. Some people don't want to carry books everywhere they go, so they would prefer to carry a digital journal, and it will be easy for them because it's on their gadget, it's on their tablet, so they can take it anywhere they want. It's simple and easy like that. So that's also a good digital product that you can go ahead and create. Last digital product, there are photos and videos. Yes, and what do I mean by this? What I mean by this, these are photo markups, or you can call them product markups. In order for you to see a good design on Etsy, it has to be on a markup. Most people, they would like to see how that product will look like on maybe a real person. So you can create product markups, and you can use simple apps like Canva to create these product markups. Yes, and you can go ahead and sell them to people on Etsy. And you can also create markups for wall art. You can create markups for people who are making mugs. Yes, people have the time to do the design, but they don't have the time to go ahead create a markup. So you can create these photo markups and be selling them to those people. Maybe people who are doing print on demand, they want a nice markup for their mug, so that a person can see how that mug will look like, how that mug would look like, or if it's a wall art, how that design will look like if it will be in a flame. So that's also a good digital product that you can go ahead and create. I have created a free guide that you can go ahead and download. It helps you start your digital product journey even as a beginner. I'll leave that in the description below. Don't forget to like, to share, and to subscribe.